Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to give gradient colors in Blender. So let's get started. Let's give some gradient color. Here I have this shape, or I will just create a new file for you guys. So let me just create a new file for you. Let me put a square shape here. That's it. Now let's give gradient color to this one. It's very easy. First let's give the material color and give any name. I will just give it square material. That's it. And after this we will go to the shading tab. And here we have these options. By default, when we give material, we will get all these options. Now we have to add some little more options here. Click on the add button and search for the texture coordinates. Here we go. And after this we need mapping. This is the mapping. And after this we need separate XYZ, and in the last we need color ramp. That's all we need to give the gradient color. Now in texture coordinates, generate will go to the vector, and now vector will go to the to the vector, and Z point will go to this color ramp, and the color of the color ramp will go to the base color. And that's it. And here you can see we got some gradient result here. In bottom there is a black, and in the top there is a white. So I will just in the color ramp, from the color ramp you are going to change the colors. Click on the color, like double click. Okay, so I will just click here. Click on this black color. Okay, and now this is opacity, reduce it, and I will give blue to the bottom side like this. And for the top, you see this white color, pick this one. Now here I will give something like red. That's it. This is how you give gradient color. Now let's talk about how we can give more gradients, like multiple gradients, or how we can rotate these things and change other things. Now suppose I wanted other color in the middle, and then click on the plus icon and you will get the extra option here like this, and you can adjust this if you wanted. I will just simply choose this one, and here I will change the color to the yellow. That's it. So this is how you add multiple gradients. Okay, now what if I wanted to rotate the gradient? I wanted to change the position of it. In that case, it's very simple. You simply go to the mapping option. This is the mapping option. Yeah, this one. Here you can see the location, rotation, scaling. We need to play with this. If I increase the Z value by 180 degree, or I change Y value, you can see the changes are visible. So play with these values, and I'm sure you are going to find out more things by playing with these values. And you can also play with these location and all this stuff also if you wanted. And one more thing I have to tell you, there is a linear option here. This is linear You can basically change these things to ease, and different options are already available there. You can try these options if you want it. So play with these. And one more thing, if you wanted extra things also, for example, you can simply go to the add option. Definitely you can go to the add and you can search for them and try those. In this video, that's it guys. I hope you learned how to create gradient colors in Blender. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.